Hello and good day, friends. My name is Landon with Flaman Trailers. Behind me, I have a brand new 2024 Southland 20-foot LBAT flat deck. These things are fresh off the line, have some new features. Let's dive in and take a look. First off, this Southland flat deck trailer is built on HSS tubing, hollowed structural steel. All the wiring is ran inside your tubing, no exposed wire apart from it coming out behind the axles for the brakes. New on this 2024 Southland flat deck, in the A-frame, they did a gas shock toolbox. Lots of storage for a spare tire, chains, tie downs, anything you might want to put in there. Grommet on here to keep the water out. The deck on this Southland flat deck is a heavy duty fir deck. 8 D-ring tie downs, 4 along each side. Tie down various types of equipment and material. Another convenient feature is the side step for going up and off of the deck of the trailer. Moving on back, 8,000 pound oil bath Lippert axles, as well as two 35, 85, 16-inch rubber and rims. New on these flat decks to 2024 is the engineered aluminum ramp system. Gonna be just as strong as your steels, lighter, look better for longer. Just a different design for 2024. Simple ease of use. Can travel with them in the vertical position, fully drop down on the deck, or slightly angled forward. Standard on the Southlands, you will have your rub rail and stake pockets. Again, various points to tie down, straps, chains. For more information or to inquire about buying one of these 2024 Southland LBAT flat decks, contact your local Flaman dealer or visit flaman.com.